girl D will vibe with D. Yeah, so if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give a girl some love. Show the girl some love. Anyways, like up the video, damn, comment if you must. Yeah, but don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I will be doing a Shein unboxing, but this is not a box, it's a plastic bag. A Shein unboxing haul. Yes. So follow along with me. Let's see what I ordered. Let's see what's in this. Let's see if I crap. I know it's a Shein and Temu. Sometimes it's a hit and miss. Yeah. So, alright, let's do the do. Woo! What we want to start with? I feel excited. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the slippers then. Yeah, so you know, girl, I got on a little vacation, so she want to buy some little cheap things that you know I could wear one time and then toss them. Not really toss them, but like put them to the side. But if you know, if they're wearable for another to wear, that's fine. But so in this box, we have tana. It's cute. It's giving summer vibe. Yeah. Tana. Yeah. So if you guys like the slipper, you can rate it. It's cute. It has a lot. What do you call this? Like the alligator skin. So I'm a size 7. It's nice. I'm gonna try it on. When you can see my foot? Oh! See? It's giving. Fits nice. Yes, Shein. Y'all go out with things. Drum roll. Next shoes. All right. So the next slippers that I ordered tana. It's cute. It's a nice little white bow tie slippers with the rubber bottom like Clark's.
They ain't no hot skull, but tell me something. When you get the new clocks, the daddy, I wish color that, I no party.
Yeah, girl, this like a look nice and some look a cute dress. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like on my feet. Oh my god, fits perfect. So once again, I'm a size 7. See, I like it. Fits perfect. Ever do the nice discount job. All right, what's next? All right, we're gonna do. Oh, I have one more shoes. I didn't even know that. I saw my shoes in my order. Oh man, these are giving Valentino. Oh man, watch them. Look at this. It's giving off. What's the brand called? Valentino? Yeah. Yes. Hey, trying to meet me on road with them, man. A joke. Look at this. It's nice. Ooh. Like I said, for all of you who know Shein, they can get the nice, cheap, and clean things then, yeah? So nobody come judge me, all right? Look for the slippers. The slippers look good. Talk the truth. Oh, gosh. Not because of Valentino cousin. Talk the truth. Look at them. It looks nice. All right. Next, I have a bucket hat that I purchased for myself. It's all right. Summertime vibes. Yeah. Pretty color. Yeah. There's the front. Where's the back? That's how the inside is. See what it looks like on my hand.
En la manguera, que si no es, su mamá la deja fuera.
It's cute. It's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. A fun summer flex. Alright. Now clothes time. So what is this? You know, I love Shein for their bags because not for nothing when I'm traveling, I put all sort of stuff in these bags. These bags come in handy. Very good when you travel. So this is a bathing suit. No, this is a two-piece skirt outfit. Why she don't like put tag on them clothes? I want medium and order still. See them? And you guys see? So I ordered a medium because I'm like a medium. So this is a two-piece. You like? This is the top. This is the bottom. It's pretty. Yeah. To give summer vibe, vacation vibe. Yeah, from the islands, you know? All right. Next. What is this I ordered? Sometimes I'm gonna order some things, but I have to remember my order. Oh, this is a short set. It's another two-piece short set. I don't even know where's the front, where's the back. Cause she don't like put tagging on them clothes for people to know the front different from the back. So this is, I guess this is the front. And this is the back. The material is really good. So it's like an oversized shirt. When I read the reviews, they claim that the shirt fit big and the shorts fit small. See? So this is the shorts. Very cute. Very cute. And this is the top. Oversized. Very cute. What's next? Tell me if I go through too fast enough. Alright, what is my order? Just a regular or another oversized shirt. Like them shirts, you know, I'm gonna tie up the side and you know, pair it with some leggings or some sweatpants, some Nike Tech pants or whatever. Like a little airport fit. You know, something loose and comfortable. Just a regular white tee. What's next? Ha ha ha. So this is a short. This is a short. It's a little cute short, see? It's a short. Very cute. What's next? Oh, I ordered a dress. Okay, I have a lot of black dress, but I just love black dress. Black dress is just different, you know? So this is the dress. The material is kind of see-through-ish. You can see my skin. This is the sleeve. The sleeve is cute. And the dress, in the middle, it has this. You could pull it up, you know? Give it that, you know, that look that you needed to give. Nice little black dress. Like if I go out for dinner or something, or if I want to go one little club or lounge. So this is another dress. Then bring the wrong size, or me out of the wrong size, but this dress look big as hell. I mean, it don't look like much now because, you know, you have to put it on the body to see the fit, yeah? But these are the sides for the dress. People wanna know when I wear them. Oh yeah, I'm going away, but I might not, you know, pack everything that I have. So what else do I have? What is okay? So this looks like a bathing suit. So it's a one piece. Okay, this is the top. And this is the bottom. Let me see if I could put this on my body. Body to body. This is a short. So you see, you want to look a piece of shash, itch up on my body jaw. So it's cute. I like it. I like the material. Very nice. That's the top. And this is the bottom. Next! What is my order? Work overnight and more while when girl there work a beer order should have on. Just a order. Yeah. Don't have to hold. I'm gonna look at money. May I work? Oh, this is a cover up. A bathing suit cover up. It's alright. Just a cover up. Cute. I like it. That's why I ordered it. Next. Okay, so this is like a crop top. Not really a crop. Well, yeah. And look, a belly shirt. Oh, tuck it in your belly, girl. Tuck it in your belly. Tuck it in your belly, girl. I mean, this is cute. I like it. So it's like a crop top. So it's nice. I like the material. All right, guys. So what else is next? What else is next? So all my things are that way. So I got some lashes. Oh, you did that something, you know. Oh, you did this. Some lashes, can y'all see it? And girl, yeah, I have to look good enough. And I bought myself some phone case. I have gold, blue, and black. One is actually for me, my son, my husband. And these are screen protectors, but these are like privacy screen protectors. I don't need to take it out. So that's my order. Yeah, look at sitting up on the ground. Oh, I ordered this as well. This is a smartphone LED selfie light. See? Smartphone LED selfie light. So you just clip it on your phone. Let me see. Oh, you turn on this. Oh, see that? So you clip it on your phone, and when you're doing your little, you know, your little video them, your selfie videos. And apparently it has three levels. It's cute. It's not that big. I have one already, but it's really big. So this one is like really small. See? Drop it right into my wallet, my purse. No problemo. No problemo. I like this one. Look at the sides. See? Yeah, I like this. All right, this one is cute. I like this one. So guys, that's it for now. I actually have another package coming, so look out for part 2. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch out my video, man. Show the girl some love, okay? Thank you guys for watching my Shein haul unboxing. I'm not gonna try it because I'm gonna cook my dinner now. Anyways, later. Peace.